Hey guys! So I'm deep conditioning today and I wanted to show you guys. I'm not going to talk much, I promise, because I always do that. But okay, real quick, I wanted to show you guys. I can put a freaking ponytail in my hair. Okay, I think that's worth mentioning. And I'm going to shut up now after I tell you guys what I'm using. Okay, so I'm using Creme of Nature Intensive Conditioning Treatment to deep condition, and this is my first time using it, but I use this same process every time I deep condition my hair, no matter what I use. So here it goes.
Is it cause I consistently forget your birthdays, anniversaries, even special days? Tell me, is it because when we're on the phone I daydream, losing concentration minutes into the conversation? Is it because I don't take the time to acknowledge you being with me day to day? Despite all my bad habits, have you finally lost more than your patience? Woo, boo, 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 why? Wanna know why you're acting strange to me? And all these assumptions in my mind I can't see. I'm lost in limbo. Girl, please tell me, girl. Oh, boo, 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 boo. I can't take this tension any longer. Is it even my fault? I wonder whether I'm right or wrong. Hear my song, yeah. Oh, boo, boo, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Talk to me, yeah. Say something, yeah. I just wanna know why you're acting this way, yeah. Say something, yeah. Cause I can't seem to figure out why you're acting so strange. Yeah. Hyde Park, memories of you next to me. We went into nights drinking Hennessy. You used to tell me about the day you spent. I would buy you ice cream with my last 50 pence. And now we're spending nights to days and days to nights in silence, yeah. It's getting close to violence, girl. 3 days without your kiss. Are you taking the piss? How did we get like this? Oh, boo, 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 boo. Why? Wanna know why you're acting strange to me? When all these assumptions in my mind I can't see. I'm lost in limbo. Girl, please tell me, girl. Oh, boo, 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 boo. I can't take this tension any longer. Is it even my fault? I wonder whether I'm right or wrong. Hear my song, yeah. Oh, boo, boo, yeah. Boo, yeah. Talk to me, yeah. Say something, yeah. I just wanna know why you're acting this way, yeah. Say something, yeah. Cause I can't seem to figure out why you're acting so strange. Yeah. Say do do do, yeah.
So I've rinsed all the deep conditioner out and co-washed my hair with the Indian hemp co-wash that I talked about in my 1-year post big chop video. So this is my hair with no product and it hasn't been detangled yet. So yeah, I need to get on that before it dries. So now it's time to detangle. I'm going to do Denman hands, I'll take Denman. I do know I'm going to use the Eden Body Works coconut conditioner. I love it as a leave-in. I just really like it a lot. And I'm going to use jojoba oil and some curl enhancing smoothie and coconut oil after to twist it after I detangle it. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Talk to me, something, please, darling. I can't